It's almost time for your students' adventure with Outward Bound, and we're excited about what's to come. Our instructors have spent the past few days prepping for their arrival. We imagine that you've been busy prepping too, and we thought you might have a few questions. Here are 3 tips for packing like a seasoned Outward Bound pro. First, don't worry about packing food or water. We have all of that. We pack snacks and meals that will keep students energized and feeling good while on the course. Also, leave stoves, tarps, and utensils at home. That's all part of our group gear that will be shared by the crew. Next, it's time to learn the Duffel Shuffle. All that means is double checking that the items on the packing list that we provided are in your child's bag. If something's missing, no problem. At the start of course, we'll make a note of it and lend it to you from our gear room on campus when you arrive. An Outward Bound favorite. The gear room is well stocked with almost everything that you need to go into the wilderness. We recommend taking advantage of it. Don't buy new items unless you want to. Finally, let's talk cell phones. It's true, students can't use them during the course, but they can bring one on their first day. We'll safely secure it and return it after graduation. Okay, that should cover it. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. See you soon.